If you've come across LibertyFaithGear.com, you've probably noticed the flashy ads and bold promises of faith-inspired clothing, accessories, and patriotic designs. But before pulling out your wallet, you might be wondering, is this store truly legitimate or just another online scam? That's exactly what we're going to find out today, and the results might surprise you. First, let's look at what real buyers are saying, because customer reviews can often expose the truth about a store's reliability. While some feedback points to decent quality products, others complain about slow shipping times, vague responses from customer service, or not receiving items at all, which raises some red flags. Another factor we examined is the age of the website. LibertyFaithGear.com is relatively new, and younger sites usually carry more risk because they haven't had time to build a strong reputation, making it harder for buyers to trust them completely. Then there's the question of product images. Many appear polished and professional, but some designs look like stock images or generic templates that can easily be found elsewhere, which could suggest the store isn't creating original merchandise. The store also makes claims about supporting charitable causes and faith-based missions, but without clear proof or transparent records, these promises feel more like a marketing strategy than verifiable facts. Speaking of marketing, Liberty Faith Gear is very aggressive in its approach, using strong emotional appeals and targeted ads that pressure people into buying quickly, which is often a tactic we see in questionable online shops. So, is Liberty Faith Gear legit or a scam? The truth lies somewhere in between. There are signs of a functional business, but also several red flags that make it risky to trust blindly. At the end of the day, it's best to be cautious, do extra research, and think twice before spending your hard-earned money here.